Hello, I'm Ali Jennings and welcome to this digital camera magazine video tutorial. Here I'm going to show you how to make a multiple exposure self-portrait. So here we've got a series of images taken by Ed of himself in a local pub, and what we want to do is firstly to layer each of those images over so we get the multiple exposure look, and then what we want to do is actually to stitch each of those images together. So we can do all of that within Photoshop Elements or Photoshop CS. So the first thing I want to do, because this is going to be quite processor and memory intensive, is just to close down this image. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to work on each section of this image one part at a time. So the first part I'm going to take a look at is the central section. Now there's several images which are going to create this picture. So what I want to do is load all of those images into one document. So to do this I could just open all of those pictures up, copy and paste them all into a new document, or there is a quicker and easier way to do this. Now in Photoshop Elements, that's to go up to File, New and Photo Merge Panorama. Now we choose our images, so we select Folder from Use, click Browse, and then we'll find our self-portrait folder, click OK, and that'll load all of the images that we want for this section of the self-portrait into the window here. And what I want to do is just have reposition only, and that'll just take all of those images and just sort of match them all up without making any adjustments to the actual images themselves. So if I click OK, and that'll take a few seconds just to work through, all of those images are slowly being loaded in and loaded into that layer stack. So what I'll do is I'll leave this to get on with loading those images, and I'll see you in the next part where we start to reveal the multiple exposures of Ed.